take a tablespoon of the yogurt. This is the white yogurt. Yes, you better be a copycat right now so that you can get that glowing, youthful, beautiful, stunning face if you really want to.
I love you, boy.
I love you too.
It's you and I.
Baby, it's me and you.
And no matter what they say,
No matter.
I'ma love you every single day.
Welcome back to my channel. I am back here like I never left. This is Maram, your girl. Yes, guys, I just came back to the house after having a hectic week. Yes, with what? No choice. I'm gonna be pampering my face right now to scrub my face, whatever you can call it, okay? So get ready and then scrub your face with me, because right now I am super tired, but I'm just in the mood of doing video. Yes, I have some products here today and I just want to use them because I know that they really work for me super well. I have a sensitive skin, so if you have a dry skin or you have a hard skin, you can do extra. So if you are sensitive like me, just take the same measurement I'm gonna take in this video. So just watch and then see what I am gonna do. This is my weekend routine. Yes, it is my weekend facial routine or body routine. No facial routine, just the face. Okay guys, let's get started. I have here turmeric. Turmeric is a very good herbal, and I think you all know about turmeric. Especially when you want to bleach or you want to lighten your skin, you can be using turmeric more often. Okay, so I'm gonna be using small turmeric, but I'm gonna be showing you guys the other things I'm gonna use. This is the honey. This is my measurement for the honey, so I'm not gonna make much because I'm just gonna do it for the week so that it can take me for the whole week. And I have a pure yogurt here. You can use yogurt, any type of yogurt, the one you ferment or the one you buy from the stores. So any type can do. And then I have the blended carrot. So this is a tablespoon. Yes, so I'm good to go with that. And then I have a brown sugar. Yes, I have a brown sugar because I just want to be natural. I'm taking everything natural. And then I have another thing here. This is the juice, the carrot juice. I'm gonna use this for the finishing, but you will see what I'm gonna do with this home remedies. Okay, so guys, let's get started. I don't even wear makeup so much, and I think it's something that helps me a lot. Always try to reduce the way you wear makeup, because most of the time the reason why you have wrinkles or the reason why you have all this acne, or sometimes you have dark spot, or you have a lot of pimples all the time is because of the products you use all the time. So sometimes ignore wearing makeup. And sometimes when you don't wear makeup, you look ugly or you look sick. Even your people will tell you, are you okay? Because they do not know this face. So always try to get used to the natural face so that whenever you don't wear makeup, somebody can look at you and say, hey, you're looking beautiful. Hey, I love your natural beauty. So you can say, wow, Aisha, you're looking so pretty. Wow, I love your face without makeup. And the day you make up, you're gonna be extraordinary, like Z-Wall. Oh my god. So guys, I'm gonna start the formula. This is the carrot here. Guys, do you know what happened? I'm just tired of setting up the table and everything, so this is where I'm doing everything right now. Don't mind me, okay? So I'm gonna take a tablespoon of the yogurt. This is the white yogurt. Yes, that's what I need, just a tablespoon. I don't need much. So you better be a copycat right now so that you can get that glowing, youthful, beautiful, stunning face if you really want to. Now I'm gonna add some brown sugar. This brown sugar, I don't need much because my skin is sensitive, as I told you guys, because it is in the form of a crystal, so I don't like to put much. So I'm gonna just put a drop of it. Are you seeing this? I just put a drop. So if you know your skin is dry, you can put more because I don't want to hurt myself. Okay, so this is the honey. I always like to go with honey because honey helps us a lot. Yes, and most of my videos I told you guys what honey does. So whatever type of skin you have, you can be using honey. This is just a tablespoon of the honey, so I'm gonna pour some here because I'm gonna remain some for next time, so I don't need much. Okay, so that's it. You better close. Oh, you don't want to close. Okay, so last but not the least, I'm gonna add the turmeric. Yes, guys, if you know you want to lighten your skin, be using turmeric. Yes, but I'm gonna do small, just a little bit, half tablespoon, because I'm a dark person, so I don't want to bleach or I don't want to lighten my skin. But anyway, you guys know the importance of turmeric. So this is all I added. So I'm gonna now mix this gently, yes, in a circular form, so that I can get that paste I need. Do you know, when I'm mixing this, I feel so excited because I know I'm gonna get that beautiful results you all are waiting for. So you're gonna mix this together to combine it to form a formula, and this is concentrated now. So this is what I was looking for. Are you seeing this? It looks like mayonnaise. Oh my god, who's gonna eat this? Does it look like a nasty thing, or it is eatable? No, you can't try this. I can't eat this. I can't eat this. Even when you pay me some dollars, I'm not gonna eat it. So I'm just joking, okay? So that's all. Let's just dive into applying our formula. This recipe today, I hope that you guys will love it because it's one of my best recipe. I love it so much, especially when I'm tired and I come back to the house and I want to have that baby face. So this is my secret. Now I'm gonna go in there and wash my hands clean and come back here and apply this on my face, and at the same time I'm gonna wash my face thoroughly, very clean, before I apply this. So stay there and then subscribe so that you won't miss any of my videos, and I'm coming back to show you more on the next stage. Oh yes. So are you seeing this? I've already washed my face, so I'm gonna wipe the water out so that my face will be dry. Okay, Maram. See how the mask was looking so nasty. And now my face is dry because the mask is already dry on my face. Okay guys, I am back here like I never left. Are you guys seeing the difference? Yes, before and after stage 1. So I'm gonna move on to stage 2. Stage 2, I'm gonna use the juice. I'm gonna move on to stage 2. I'm going to be applying the juice. Yes, Maram. Have you seen the difference? When I came back from work and now, have you seen my face? Yes. So I am gonna allow this for 5 minutes, then I'll wash it out and come and show you guys the final stage. And I hope that you guys will try this recipe because it's gonna work for you. It's gonna work for you like magic than even going out there to buy expensive scrubs or expensive lotions. So you gotta try it and then tell me the results on the comment section. But before then, I just want to say that thank you so much to my subscribers. You guys are so amazing and beautiful, and thank you so much for always encouraging Maram. And my new subscribers, if this is the first time you've seen me, please subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any of my video. My name is Maram. Yep, I'm here to inspire you about everything about skincare, feminine hygiene, and I'm here to give you a beautiful personality. Because if you know your personality is not really beautiful, wait for me, because I will always tell you something that will make your personality look whoop. Anybody who sees you out there will say, wow, she have a beautiful soul. So so I'm gonna stay for 5 minutes, let this dry, then I'll wash my face and come back and show you guys the final results. Why am I blushing? Yes, because my skin is glowing, sparkling. Yes. So guys, the solution has dried on my skin, so now I'm going to wash my face and come back and show you guys the final results. So guys, I am back here. Please just tell me what is the difference between before and now, and try this and tell me how you feel, because you're gonna feel so good. Your face is gonna look so smooth and then moist. Okay, so guys, this is my face. Are you seeing me? I hope this is very, very clear right now. So I'm gonna apply my lotion. I always use my body lotion on my face, so I am good to go. I'm feeling so fresh and good. So this is the final results, and I hope that you guys will love this so much. As I said, stay here to watch more of my videos by clicking on the notification bell, so that anytime I upload a video you'll be notified. And I hope that you will love this video and give me a thumbs up when you do so. So see you guys in another video. What? I am dabbing for you guys. Bye.